Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liliana, for those of you new here, and this channel is all about me, mother of three, sharing my own tips and tricks on how to save money on party decor. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a really cool balloon garland, which is a champagne bottle with little balloons everywhere. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell buttons to get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. as you can see, is so easy to make. All you need is the champagne bottle and a bunch of balloons that you're going to glue randomly onto your wall with glue dots. And you're gonna glue them so that it looks like the champagne bottle is overflowing. And that's basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done it yet, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.